Welcome to another RCM Level Prep B Playback video. This is example weekly test number 1. This example is in G major. Go ahead and play a G major triad along with me. This example is in a 4/4 time signature and is 2 measures in length. Go ahead and tap your foot along with me as I play. I will play each example 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Did I start on Do? Did I end on Do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, go ahead and play that back. For the answer, turn to page 48 of RCM's 4-star sight reading and ear test book. Thank you.